Visit any modern hospital, and you will see the fingerprints of her legacy everywhere. From the architecture of hospital wards, to the focus on sanitation and hygiene, to the understanding of how patients flow through the hospital from the emergency department, the operating rooms, intensive care units, recovery areas, and medical wards. Hospital finances, the integration with ancillary services, the importance of nutrition, and even how nurses are educated and trained, along with the high expectations of professionalism and ethics, these are all areas that she helped shape. In truth, by helping to coordinate these things unique to how a hospital is run, she could be seen as the prototype of a hospital administrator.